I've been a director level technology manager for about a decade now. I was employed. I was most recently a chief technology officer of a small company. I've been a senior director of a larger company before, but the director VP of mid-size and larger companies is what I've been enjoying the opportunity to do over the past number of years. I had a pretty decent career, and I still have had a pretty decent career, but about 2-3 years ago, I recognized that there were a few things that I needed to really start catching up on, specifically around DevOps, the cloud, containerization, automation. So a Google search on, I believe it was Kubernetes, it might have been around Amazon Architect, led me to Cloud Academy. I wanted to really just learn a little bit more, but within just a few days, when I saw all of the content that was available and how Cloud Academy has the learning paths, and I saw one perfect for me, in this case, a couple of years ago, the AWS Associate Architect certification, I said, well, okay, I am going to go get certified because it was just so easy. I think so. So the position I got immediately after getting certified was as senior director in charge of infrastructure and DevOps. And I wouldn't have been able to do that if I didn't have my AWS certification, if I didn't learn about DevOps, containerization, 75% of which I learned at Cloud Academy. I want to learn more about security. I want to see what's new in containerization. I want to start thinking about my professional AWS search. I had a job interview for Azure, so I had to look up some Azure things. Cloud Academy is kind of like right there for me when I need to, I say like when I need to learn the newest things, when I need to get really deep into something that I'm unfamiliar with. It's a really good resource for me. But when it comes to cloud, I haven't looked into Google yet, but a lot of Microsoft, Amazon, it's great when it comes to containerization and the different pieces around the different types of containers, but also the DevOps tools, the automation tools, the Chef, the Puppet. When it was anything related to the cloud, automation, infrastructure as code, I really didn't need to go anywhere else other than Cloud Academy. Learning path. I find it incredibly helpful to know which course is right next in line once I finish with one. We've got quizzes, it lets me know if I need more help, but the way that the learning path is structured, where I know what to go next in a type of curriculum, is my favorite part of it. I've definitely seen Andrew the most. And also Stuart has been around a lot as well. So I see Andrew and Stuart the most, and then also I see Logan a lot. I can't pick a favorite out of those three, but I know that I see Andrew the most.